All right, Workstation 1, this is important for you. We really need to know how many sub-assemblies you can build in 12 minutes. I pay you to work. That's the example. I pay you to work. I want you busy. So what's going to happen, I'm predicting, is in Workstation 1, and by the way, since I'm talking about Workstation 1, I'm going to move my avatar over. Whoever's sitting in this spot, you're going to build 5 airplanes. You're going to take them around the table, put them into a row here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, so good. And then, if this inventory has not moved, I want you to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and go this way forever. In other words, keep on building inventory. It's so important that I know how many sub-assemblies we can build before Workstation 2 completes it. So continue working for 12 minutes straight. Don't change the pace. I don't want you stressed, but just keep on going, okay? That's it for Workstation 1's comment. I haven't shown you the workflow yet, but that's just a comment. We're missing something. If you run out of inventory, Workstation 1, you only have inventory for this number of planes, which is 15, I believe. If you run out of inventory, I want you to go down here and just highlight your parts and duplicate, which means Control D. And I'm just going to do it just so you can see what I'm doing. There. And then you drag them. You go up to your table and repopulate your inventory, please. And keep on going. Thank you.